50-year-old forest is a wonderful thrill. Each log weighs an average of 4 cubic meters, which is rare and makes the work interesting. I use a style MS500I saw to cut the wood, while the LKT81 handles the transport of the wood. The combination of modern tools and an exceptional environment creates a passionate and enjoyable work experience. Wow! Timber Pro is a real monster. I've seen it in action on the West Coast, moving through the trees in the woods like nothing can stop it. With a winch and tie down perfect for steep slopes. At $400 for a weekend job, this is a bargain. With just a little practice with the remote control, the operator will become an expert in no time. The Menzie Muck with double UOOD, CRACKER C250 Baumschere handles, large timber and thick branches with ease, even on rough terrain. Its cutting precision and versatility really amazed me. Harvesting cocoon wood in a 130 the capacity of up to 250 cu. The combination of cutting-edge technology and outstanding performance really impressed me. Witness the skilled workers skillfully operating the machine, causing the giant tree to slowly fall. Carlton 7015 TRXA True Beast. It was impressive to see it remove tree stumps with ease. Razor wheels are a great choice for hardwoods like oak. Have you ever seen the power of the ATV log hauler? Please leave comment number 1. You may not know which direction to run, but he must know. Hopefully, he chose the right path and escaped the collision with the tree. The Climax Tree Harvester is truly impressive, capable of operating on slopes up to 45 degrees. With a sturdy design and impressive hydraulic system, the machine can easily climb slopes, cut and process wood with Moving 20 long logs across a small bridge is a big challenge, but it proves the driver's determination to overcome obstacles. This Volvo excavator is like a kid in a candy store, eagerly picking up logs and stacking them high. It's so fun that it makes me want to turn on the music and dance, immersing myself in the joy and energy of work. That's the motto: work hard and play hard. arranged like a strategic chess piece. The sound of wood hitting each other mixed with the laughter of the workers, creating a vibrant symphony. Each piece of wood has its own story, creating a meaningful picture of labor. I was impressed with the ingenuity of helicopter logging, a testament to innovation and sustainable solutions. It's nice to see we can exploit resources responsibly, with minimal impact on the ecosystem. That gives me hope for a future where humans and nature coexist in harmony. Making anyone impressed at first sight, anywhere. If you are looking for a peaceful place to relax and meditate, visit the Yonu Canal. Sit on the shore, watch the logs drift slowly on the water, and feel all your worries fade away. This is a great place to connect with nature and find balance in life. Loading wood onto ships is not only labor, but also art. Each log is lifted and carefully